Number 21. A 1 cup serving of pineapple juice has 9 more than 3 times as many calories as a 1 cup serving of tomato juice. Servings of the two juices contain a total of 173 calories. How many calories are in each serving of each type of juice? Well, the pineapple juice had 9 more than 3 times the tomato juice. So if I take the pineapple juice plus the tomato juice, I should get a total of 173. 3t plus 1t is 4t. Subtracting 9 from both sides gives me that 4t is equal to 164. And dividing both sides by 4 gives me 41 calories in tomato juice. What about pineapple juice? Well, this was 9 plus 3 times the tomato juice, which is 41. Three times 41 is 124, and 124 plus 9 will be 133. 22. For what values of x would a triangle have a perimeter of at least 72 inches if the second side is 11 more than the first side and the third side is 5 more than twice the first side? So let's draw a picture. We have a triangle. The first side we'll call x. The second side is 11 more than the first side. And the third side is 5 more than twice the first side. And I want my perimeter to be at least 72, so it can be greater than. And I find the perimeter by adding up the sides. Combining like terms, I have x plus 2x is 4x, and 11 plus 5 is 16. Subtracting 16 from both sides gives me 56 is less than or equal to 4x. Dividing both sides by 4 gives me that 14 is less than or equal to x. So x should be greater than or equal to 14. 23. Jackson used his new debit card to purchase 6 one-gallon jugs of spring water, all equally priced. His account balance before the purchase was $3.95. After purchasing the water, he had a balance of negative $3.25. How much did each jug of water cost? Well, originally he had $3.95 minus how much he spent. Well, he bought 6 equally priced items, and then his balance became negative $3.25. Subtracting $3.95 from both sides gives negative 6x should be equal to negative 7.20. Dividing both sides by negative 6 gives that each water jug cost $1.20. 24. Dell Incorporated plans to donate 2,650 new laptop and desktop computers to a selected group of U.S. elementary schools. So we have some desktops and some laptops. The company intends to donate 986 more laptop computers than desktop computers. So our laptops will have an extra 986 than the number of desktops. We want to know how many of each will be donated. Well, if I take the desktops plus the laptops, this should be equal to how many are being donated. 2D plus 986 is equal to 2,650. Subtracting 986 from both sides gives that 2D is equal to 1664. Dividing both sides by 2 gives that the number of desktop computers will be 832. The laptops will have an additional 986, so this gives me 1,818 laptops.